Okay, guys, so what I have here is A, B, and C, okay? So, A, B, and C are 3 points. Find the equation of the line containing A if it is parallel to BC. So, what we know is that BC are 2 random points. We don't really know much about them. We know that BC, if we were to join them together, they form a line, yeah? Now, we know that A is a point, most likely, not on the line joining B and C. So you have 2 choices. You can make a line that's in the same direction as BC. See the way it's in the same direction, but it goes through A. So that'll be a line parallel to BC that goes through A. Or conversely, you can make a line that's perpendicular to BC that also goes through the point A. So the first question wants a parallel to BC. So what do we need to find first? Of what one? Slope of BC. It's y2 minus y1 all divided by x2 minus x1. So what numbers do we put in? Okay, 7 minus 3. Take away, 7 minus 3. Take away 5 minus 2. And what's the answer to that? 4 over 3. Now, the green line is the line that's parallel to BC. Would you agree with that? So to get the equation of the green line, it's y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. What point is on the green line? Guaranteed to be on the green line. A. So A is our new x1, y1. So y minus, what's minus minus 2? So y plus 2 equals, we don't know the m value just yet, or do we? Oh yeah. And then x minus 3. Now, the m value is 4 over 3. Can I make class explain why it's 4 over 3? It's in the same direction as the blue line, BC. Now, how'd you do this out? So 4x minus 12 all over 3. What else do we need to do? Give them a what? What's stopping us from doing this question at the moment? The common denominator. 3 on top, 3 on the bottom. What happens to the 3's? Cancel. So we're going to have 3y plus 6 equals 4x minus 12. Bring the 4x and the 12 over to your sides. We get minus 4x plus 3y. What's 6 plus 12? 18. Can somebody else give me another version of that answer? Yeah, you can do the negative version or the positive version, and both lines are still the same. How many people got that out? Minus 13, okay. So you just made a mistake on the multiplying out the other side. Lads, what we're doing here again is we're getting an equation that contains A. So A has to be in both of them. This point here has to be on the line. Now it's on the green line, which is the one that was parallel to BC. Now we're working on the pink line, which is perpendicular to BC. So we'll do the pink line now. It's the same setup as last time, except with 1 or 2 big differences. First of all, is the point A still on the pink line as well? So the y1 and x1 values are still the same. So the x1 value last time was 3, and then the other one was y plus 2. Now the m value is different because it's not in the same direction as the green line. So how do I find the new slope? You turn it upside down and change the sign, so it's minus 3 over 4. Now, what do I do this time? Now, the other side's going to have a, you multiply that, we'll do the same order. Minus 3x plus 9 all over 4. And then put 4 top and bottom. And what happens then? All over 4. And then what happens next? And then the The 3x and the 9. Yeah. Plus 4y. Yeah. Then after that, 8 minus 9 minus 1. There we go, guys. 3x plus 4y minus 1 equals 0. Who got that one? Part 1 is find the equation of a perpendicular bisector of the segments joining 2, 3 to 6, 1. Now 2, 3 to 6, 1 will look something like this. 2, 3 will be up here, and 6, 1 will be down here. What does perpendicular bisector mean, if anybody remembers? You get the midpoint, and then what you say, Lee? Hits that at 90 degrees. So just slightly off there, and there we go. Okay. So can anybody tell me how to get the equation of a line for the green line? Okay, you can get the slope. There's no real order as such. We'll get the slope of what line? The blue line or the green line? We're going to get the slope of the blue line. So it's going to be slope equals x1, y1, x2, y2. They're the blue points. So 1 minus 3, all divided by 6 minus 2. That is going to be minus 2 over 4, which is going to be minus a half. The slope of the blue line is minus a half. What does that mean about the slope of the green line? Turn it upside down. It's a negative fraction, isn't it? Because it's minus a half. So when you turn it upside down and flip the sign, it has to be a positive number, which is 2 over 1, or you can just call it 2. Now, I also need a point on this green line. Do I know a point on the green line? I don't at the moment, so what Cameron said is, why don't you find the midpoint, okay? And that's what we'll do. So we'll find the... yeah, M is slope, and see, yeah, the best way to tell the difference is the slope only has one value, while the midpoint is a point, so it needs two values. Yeah, no, same happens there, buddy. Now, x2 plus x1 plus x2 is 2 plus 6, which is 8. 8 over 2. And then 1 plus 3, 4 over 2. What's 8 over 2? 4 and 2. 4, 2. So the y1 is 2 and the x1 is 4. And the m value is 2. So we can just put them in here. And we're going to get y minus 2 equals 2 into x minus 4. Multiply it out. Y minus 2 equals 2x minus 8. Bring it all over one side. Minus 2x plus y. What happens when you bring minus 8 over the other side? What's minus 2 plus 8? Can somebody else give me another version of that answer? Yeah, both answers are acceptable.